Welcome to our channel Student Solution. Now the topic is on resistors in parallel and what is the operation of resistor when they are connected in parallel to the voltage source. Let us consider a figure. Three resistors are connected in parallel across to the DC voltage source. From the figure we can say that the same node up to here is same. That means the voltage source what we applied is same to these resistors too. The voltage source across these resistor is same. That means the voltage is not divided. The voltage what is the voltage we applied here is same to these resistors. Source current that flowing through these resistors are divided. Let us consider current I. Whatever current from the voltage source is considered as I is flowing through these resistors and it is divided according to the value of the resistance. Let us consider IR1 as the current flowing through the resistor R1 and IR2 current flowing through the resistor R2 and IR3 the current that flowing through the resistor R3. And what is the current flowing from the voltage source must be come to this circuit. That means here we can say that when the resistors are connected, when the resistance are connected in parallel, the voltage across resistors are same and the current is divided according to the value of the resistance. From here we say that let us consider I be the source current that is equals to sum of the individual current that flowing through the resistor branches, that is IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. From Ohm's law we had seen that V equals to R into I. This one can be written as V, the voltage source, is equals to IR1 into R1 plus, and it is equals to IR2 and the resistance R2, and that is equals to IR3 and the resistance R3. By using equation 1 and 2, we can write it as V by R equals to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. The power loss by these resistors can be written as the power loss can be written as P equals to P PR1, PR2, PR3, that is equals to I1 I square R1 into R1 plus I square R2 into R2 plus I square R3 of the resistor R3, and we can write it as V square by R1 plus V square by R2 plus V square by R3. V square by R3, and we can take a common V square and we can write it as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3.
This is the complete note what we discussed. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. If you want to get notification about new videos from this channel, click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for listening to this video.